Hey everyone, welcome to Sanketik live classes. Okay, so today in this session we are going to discuss about manual testing concepts. Okay, manual testing concepts. In manual testing, uh, we are going to discuss about what is project, what is product. Okay, by the end of this class, you are going to learn about what is project, what is product, and some of the terms used in manual testing. Okay, uh, and what is quality. Okay, what is defect. We are going to discuss about uh, these terms. Okay, uh, before proceeding into today's session, let's have an overview of what we have discussed in the last class. What we have discussed in the last class. In the last class, we have discussed about manual testing. So, who are eligible for this course, and what are the other skills required to get a job in on manual testing, and what are the job roles available for manual testing? Okay, so this course is suitable for both IT and non-IT students, and it doesn't have, if you choose only manual testing, if you rely on only manual testing, then there is no coding. Okay, it doesn't have any coding. And if you learn manual testing plus automation or a manual testing plus SQL, mostly I prefer you to choose both manual and automation testing, and then only you will get more calls and you can attend that interview and you can grab the interviews as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you only rely on manual testing, it will take some time and to get a job. Okay, so try to choose manual testing plus any other course like automation or SQL or API or Python or anything. Okay, but most of the people choose, and most of the Java applications are there on manual plus automation or manual plus Python. Okay, and why we are choosing manual testing? We are having different kinds of courses like Java, C Sharp, .NET, Python, Ruby. Okay, we are having so many courses. Why are we choosing manual testing? Means there is no coding and it was somewhat easy when compared to other programming languages. Okay, and the job roles, what are the job roles available for this manual testing? Or you can apply for QA role. QA means quality assurance and functional tester. You will become a manual tester, or you can apply for software test engineer, and some other roles also are there, but most of the companies will mention these only. Next, developers. Who are developers? Who are going to create or design the software, then call those are called as an developers. Okay, and what exactly you need to get hired in any other company? You need to be confident, and you must and should have proper communication skills to convey whatever the information you have, and whatever I am teaching in the class, that is very essential. So yesterday's session and today's session, yeah, these are the basic sessions only. uh, if you understand yesterday's session and today's session, you will it is easy to understand our upcoming sessions also. But in our upcoming sessions, I will go somewhat in depth, and I'm going to teach some keywords and essential syllabus for you. Okay, I'm going to teach some required syllabus and main syllabus for you. But in yesterday and today's session, I'm just introducing the manual testing only. Okay, but these are essential for our upcoming classes. Okay, so now coming to today's session, today's our topic is what is project and what is product. Okay, project or product. Okay. Next. So here, what is project and what is product? First of all, we are going to discuss about product. Okay, then we can discuss about project. So what is product? We are having in software, we are having two types of companies mostly. What in those two, what are they? First one is project based company or service based, we can also call it service based, and the second one is product based company. Most of the we are having service based companies only. We are having less product based companies. We are having less product based companies. Sorry. So here, what is service based or project based company? What is product based company? Okay, so in product based, what they will do is they will design companies, or they will develop a software for according to their company specifications and can be used by multiple customers. So uh, if the product is developed, that means that they are not preparing or they are not making that product for only for one person. It can be accessed by any all persons. Okay, then only their business will become will get some profit. Otherwise, if the product is only chosen for only one particular person, then they won't get that much revenue. Okay, so product is something that which they are design the software for their company specifications, but that must be used by multiple customers, okay, or users. The best example of this product-based company is Amazon. Okay, let's open Amazon. So here, Amazon. Give me a minute. So in Amazon, they are preparing different kinds of products, right? Different kinds of products. So for suppose this pant is not only choose designed for one person. You can order same kind of pants can be ordered by multiple persons. Okay, the same kind of pants can be ordered by multiple persons. Okay, and uh, in this product company, in this Amazon, we are having different kinds of product also. But the common thing for all is it is an e-commerce website. Okay, so everyone can come and book, order, or buy anything from here. Okay, but this Amazon website is not designed for only one person. You can access by any number of persons. Okay, that is nothing but a product based company. Okay, so let's write the definition for this product based company. See here, our product is uh, Amazon. Okay, let's say Amazon. So it is not created for one person. It is not created for one person. And see, what first of all, what is product? Here I'm going to write the definition, then you can easily understand. Product is something that is developed based on, that is developed based on companies specifications and can be accessed by or used by multiple customers. Can be used by multiple customers or users, or we can also call it as clients. Okay, customers or users. So let's say our customers, real-time customers. Okay, real-time customers means we only. Okay, next, we can go for project. Okay, so here I have shown Amazon, not for an example. It's a really an product-based company. Amazon is an really product-based company. Okay, let's go to project-based. So here, what is project-based company is, let's suppose if you take one bank. Okay, let's say one Union Bank or Federal Bank. Okay, Union or Federal Bank. Let's say Union Bank. Okay, that Union Bank doesn't have IT guys. Okay, that Union Bank doesn't have IT guys there. Okay, then they want some IT guys to design a software for their bank, to design a software for their bank. So let's say, let's open. So every bank has, okay, so every bank has definitely one website to maintain their transactions, to promote their business. Okay, so here, give me a minute, it will open. Yeah, this software is designed by developers, right? This software is designed by developers. Okay, and this software is designed not only for one person or one particular customer. Okay, this is designed for all customers, but this application is designed for only one bank only, right? Okay, this application is designed for only one bank. Same kind of, and if you choose any other bank, they are having different kinds of website. Okay, say their logo is different, their bank name is different, and their content is also different, their offers are different. Okay, so everything will be different, but this software is designed for only Union Bank. Okay, that is comes under in service based company. Okay, so for designing this kind of software, they used to hire IT guys. Okay, that IT guys from some of the other company like Infosys, TCS. Okay, or any other companies like Capgemini. Okay, so these companies are comes under in project based, because these Infosys or Capgemini or TCS or designs the software for clients, not for themselves. Okay, but here the Amazon is designed the software for itself only, not for others. Okay, means Amazon customers only. It will applicable for only Amazon customers. Okay, but here the Union Bank is designed for only Union Bank only, not for any other banks. Okay, so for designing this software, they used to hire some IT guys from Capgemini or Infosys or any other other companies. Okay, so this is the difference between the product based company and project based company. Okay, product based company is design software for only themselves, but project based companies will design software for others. And also if the contract is over for one from one company, then they need to re-contract, they need to negotiate with the other contractor also. Okay, but this product based company, for suppose once the union bank wants to hire the IT guys from Infosys, but they will not that Infosys will not provide the services to Union Bank for their lifetime. They used to provide this software for only 1 year or 2 years or 3 to 4 years, but not for lifetime. After that, what it will do, this Union Bank only will try to get the IT guys from some other company. Firstly, they had taken the IT guys from Infosys. Then this Union Bank only takes the IT guys from other companies like Capgemini. Okay, that will change. Okay, and that recruitment that will be depends upon their Capgemini's policies, some Infosys policies. But here this Amazon recruits the IT guys for Amazon only, not from any other customers. You can search if the any IT guy got the job offer in Amazon, they can work for their lifetime, because this Amazon site will not close for entire lifetime. Okay, it will continuously runs. Okay, and if they want to change the company, then only they can change. But if they want to work for Amazon only, they can work for Amazon. Okay, and this Union Bank will change that every time the customers are and their not customers, their clients or whatever the service providers they have, they will change their service providers, but Amazon will never change. Okay, well, same kind of recruitment they will take, they will hire for themselves only, they will try to design the software for themselves only. Okay, this is the difference between the project based and product based companies. Okay, if you have any doubts regarding this, you can comment below. And let's go to our live class notes, and let's write a definition for this uh, project based companies. Okay, see here, project is something for something that project is something that is developed based on particular customer requirement. For his usage only. Okay. Next, first, after designing a software, that may be a union bank, or that may be a Amazon website, or that may be a e-commerce website like Flipkart, anything. Okay, after designing the software, they will directly release into the market. No, right? First they have to test what they have designed. Okay, first they have to test what they have designed, then only they are going to release. Then first what they will check, quality of the product, quality of the product. Okay, uh, so here what is quality? Quality will define the or it will justify the all the requirements of the customer in a product. Okay, so some of them are customers want different kinds of products, so it is to satisfy the customers. Okay, it is to satisfy the customers requirement. Okay, then only it will get some business from them. Okay, then only it will get some business from them. Okay, so first one they have to check. So if you have for suppose um some ex person is hired for Amazon, then as a quality engineer. Okay, quality assurance engineer, then what he will do, he will check every functionality of the application, whether this all function is working fine or not. Okay, whether this best sellers option is working fine or not. By clicking that link, then he will try to analyze whether it is working properly or not. Okay, quality assurance testers will do like this only. Okay, so we are having different kinds of functionalities, so each one we having have to work according to customer specifications. Okay, and then if it is okay, if it passes to all test cases, then they are going to deploy into real-time environment, and then they used to maintenance. So here first they will check the quality, what is the quality of that product, they will check. So here I'm going to write the definition of this quality. So quality is defined defined as justification. Don't worry guys, if you got confusion, you will get clarity in our upcoming sessions also. This is a basic introduction class only. Just listen and observe what I am going to say and what I am here writing here. Slowly you will come into our topics and you can understand bit by bit easily. Okay, justification of all requirements, requirements of the customer in a product. Okay, it is defined as a justification of justification of all requirements of the customer in a product. For suppose now I want some jeans pant. Okay, some jeans pant. So somebody hired to check the quality of that product. Okay, somebody let's suppose one person like Joya. Okay, let's say Joya. Joy is has to test the quality of this jeans pant. Okay, so here this jeans pant has some holes, but she doesn't know that this is also a new trend or this is stylish, but she treated it as a bug. Okay, she assumed that this is a bug. So here it will justify, so she will justify the quality of the product, whether it is properly designed or not. She will justify. Okay, so so it has some holes, right? So she assumed that it is a bug, so the product is not maintain some customer requirements, and it is not up to the mark. She assumed like that. Okay, so who is she here? She is a quality assurance tester. Okay, she is a quality assurance tester. So same one, quality will tells about the justification of all requiremments. So if the requirements is met properly, then that then she or then she assumed that yes, it passes the all test cases, it is called product only. But before proceeding into justification, she has to read the all the requirements of that product. Okay, she has to read the all the requirements of that product. So in that requirement, the customer or client used to tell that I want one jeans pant. Okay, I want one jeans pant, but that consists of some here how many holes here there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, 10, 9 to 10. Okay, so he the client asked us to I want one jeans pant that must contain 10 holes like this. Okay, okay, so if she Joya doesn't check that requirements, then she assumed that it is an bug. But if she reads that requirements, okay, then she assumed that it is not a bug, because in that requirements only they used to maintain that we want the jeans pant which is consist of at least 9 to 10 holes. Okay, this is we want some torn jeans pant. Okay, we want some, the customer used to say that we want some torn jeans pant. Okay, so but Joya doesn't know that what is torn jeans. So torn jeans is nothing but it consists of some holes. Okay, so if she reads that requirements, then she passes the test case that quality of this product is good. If she doesn't read the specifications or requirements, then she assumed that this is a bug. Okay, like that. So before proceeding into the final justification, just we have to read their requirements or specifications. Okay, then only we can treat that as whether it has some bugs or not. Okay, I think you understand this one. Okay, so here we are having shoe here, but Joya hired as a quality assurance tester. So Joya only knows that the this shoe has to maintain only one color. Okay, if the shoe has some other colors, then that is a bug. Okay, but the customer used to maintain that in the requirements that it consists of some white color, some blue, some of them gray color, some white in the bottom of the shoe. Okay, if she reads that requirements, then she assumes that she can justify that it is a good. If she doesn't know about the requirements, then if she tries to justify the product is good or not, then she assumes that she can justify that it is not a good product because it has some different kind of colors on the shoe. Okay, so before proceeding into what I am saying here finally is, before proceeding into justify a product whether it is good or not, then we must and should know about the requirements. So we must read the requirements document before proceeding into further action. Okay, I think you understood. If you don't understand, then just comment below, or you can ask in our live interacting classes. Okay, so here, just for example, I will write, just give me a minute. I will adjust here my laptop. Mm. see see here, Joya. Okay, Joya hired as a QA engineer. For that product is here torn jeans. Okay, jeans are that shoe. Okay, then that consists of some holes. Okay, so if she doesn't know that it must have some holes, then she assumed that it is an uh, it is not a good product. Okay, good product. If she know about these holes which are specified in the requirements document, then she can treat that as a good product. So not only jeans here, if you assume that here there is an website, right, Amazon, right? So again not Joya this time, we can if we can call Ria. Okay, so Ria has hired as an quality assurance tester for this Amazon website, not for this shoe or torn jeans like that. She has hired for Amazon. Okay, as a quality assurance. Of course we are have Amazon hires for quality assurance testers also, right? So Ria assumed that best seller option has to come first. Okay, then this MX player option has to come last of the this website. Okay, so but in requirements they provide in Amazon's requirement document, they used to provide that the best seller option is to provide from 1 2 3. Okay, third option. Okay, and the MX player has to come on second option, like that they mentioned. If the Ria reads the requirements, if the Amazon website is designed according to their requirements, then she gives a justification that it is a good, but she doesn't know about their requirements. No, if she assumed that bestsellers has to come first, then she assumed that it is an not a good product. It was not designed as per customer requirements. She used to justify like that. Okay, in real time in jobs also we used to like take that kind of examples only. Okay, because we used to test the softwares only, not torn jeans or not a shoe or a tie like that. Okay, we used to justify the websites only. Some of them are mobile applications, some of them are uh, computer applications, web applications. Okay, next. So here she found Ria or Joya. She found that that holds as a defects, right? That show as a defects. Okay, that's why she assumed that she just felt that this is a defective product. It is not meet up to the mark. Okay, so here she found one defect. Okay, so what is a defect here in our perspective? Defect is a whenever a product is not as per requirement, then that is called as a defect. Okay, whenever the product is not as per the requirement, then that is called as a defect. uh, so defect is a defined as an deviation from the requirement. Okay, defect is a deviation from the requirement. Okay, so now here I am going to write the small definition for in an general words for understanding better. Whenever your product is not, whenever your product is not as per requirement, not designed as per requirement, then it is called as defect. It is called defect. Okay, and defect is defined defect is defined as deviation from the requirement. Requirement. Defect is defined as deviation from the requirement. Okay. So here we need to write the test cases for those. Okay. Whether it is test cases passed or not. For suppose, let's assume one test case for one more example. Okay. So in this example, let's take one bank account or two bank accounts for one person, or two bank accounts for one person. Okay. For suppose what we can call as a ram. Okay, so for suppose ram has two bank accounts. Okay, here I'm writing here case 1. So in our nodes, defects, bugs, errors are coming in red color. Okay, actually in every software, most of the software, errors or defects or bugs will come in red color only, right? Okay, that's why it is coming in red color. Okay, next case 1. In case 1, multiple accounts for ram, let's say. Okay, then he used to transfer the money from one of his account to his friend, one of his account to his friend. So first one is account 1, and second one is account 2. He has two accounts, right? So he has two accounts. So we have wants to transfer the amount from one of his account 1 is his primary account, and account 2 is a secondary account. This is the primary account. So he wants to send the money to his friend from primary account, but unexpectedly it is going from this. It is debited from second account. Okay. Then that is in that case also. Defect will come. Okay, in that case of also defects will come. Okay, that defects are called as an failures or errors. Okay, in our upcoming sessions, what is the difference between a defect, bug, error, you will let you know. Okay, so I am going to teach those also. It is one of the interview question also. They will ask you that what is error, what is defect, what is bug also. Okay, and they will ask you bug life cycle or defect life cycle.
Okay. In our upcoming sessions, STLC, SDLC, I will tell all about all those in our upcoming sessions. Okay. So here the defect is, if we know that one of the defect is he has to transfer account from, I mean, money from primary account, but it is unexpectedly it is going to debited from second account. That is the defect here. Okay. Um Okay, in our next class, I will come with some or other key concepts in manual testing. Okay, if you have doubts regarding this session or previous session, please comment below. If you like our content, then please hit the like button. And if you want latest updates from our institute or channel, then please do subscribe to our channel. And you can also help for the people who are struggling to start their career in IT by sharing this video in your social media networks. I hope this class is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.